You can easily use the Find and Replace tool to find text that has a particular format to it. Most people don't know that you can use the same tool to find text that does not have a particular format. Let me show you how. Word has a very powerful search capability that allows you to find not just text, but the formats of text as well. Many Word users already know how to search for character formatting, but you may not know that you can also search for characters that don't have a certain formatting property. In order to take advantage of this feature, we're going to display the Home tab of the ribbon like you see on the screen here, and then I'm going to click the down arrow right next to the Find tool, and I'm going to choose Advanced Find. That displays the Find tab of the Find and Replace dialog box. In order to see most all of my options, I'm going to click on the More button if it's available. I'll move this dialog box up just a little bit here. And if you do this and you have anything within the Find What box, you're going to want to get rid of that. And if this button right down here that says No Formatting, if that's available, you're going to want to click on that as well. Now I'm going to click on the Format button and I'm going to choose Font. That displays the Find Font dialog box. Notice that all the character attributes in the effects area down here are shaded. This means that these attributes don't matter. They are ignored by Word when searching. But if I want to search for a missing character attribute, all I have to do is choose one of these and make sure that it's clear. So if I wanted something that wasn't superscripted, all I have to do is clear that checkbox. If I make sure that there is a check mark in it, then I'll be able to find only those things that are superscripted. Or if I click on it again and again, then I can get it back to the I don't care position. But let's say that I want to search for text that is not in italic. Well, then I can go right up here into the font style area and I can choose not italic. I click on OK, and now I can go ahead and click on Find Next, and Word finds the text that is not italic within this document. Click on Find Next and I'll find the next one within this document. There you go. That's how you find text that doesn't have a certain formatting attribute applied to it. I hope that you found this quick tip helpful. If you did, please click the subscribe button and then click the bell icon. That way you'll be informed whenever I add a new video to the Word Tips channel. Thanks for spending a few minutes with me today.